In the last video, we looked at hypothesis testing in order to see whether we thought the mean of a population was 30 or not 30. And we use hypothesis testing to do that. But we could do the same thing with confidence intervals. And so in this quick, short, hopefully short video, I'm going to show you how we're going to do that. Now, you'll remember that the formula for confidence intervals looked something like this. Now, we have all this information already. Our sample mean, we said, was 27, right? And then we had chosen to set our alpha at 5%, or that is, we wanted to have a 95% certainty or 95% confidence interval. And if we look in a z-table for this, we know that this is then going to be 1.96. We looked that up in the last video. And finally, we know here our standard error. We know that this is really the standard deviation of the population over the square root of the sample size. And we know that this is the square root of 20 over the square root of 10. So we can go ahead and fill in the numbers here. So we have 27 plus or minus 1.96 times the square root of 20 over the square root of 10. And this comes out to 27 plus or minus 2.7718. Okay, I've painted myself into a corner here. Let's move this down a little bit. And then we can calculate the rest. Okay, so we have 27 plus or minus 2.7718. So that gives us a range here of 24.2282 and 29.7718. And clearly our hypothesized mean of 30, right, it does not fall in this range. It's not in there. And so we say that with 95% confidence, from our sample, we do not think that the population mean is 30. So that's one way to use confidence intervals to do the exact same thing that we just did with hypothesis testing. See, you deserved a short video and I gave one to you. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.